How to fix TikTok Steam feed not showing. Hello everyone and welcome to TikToks. TikTok have recently released a new feature called Steam feed. Here you will see only contents related to science, technology, education and mathematics. Correct me if I am wrong. So if you don't have this feature yet, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps to get this. So first thing first, log out and re-log into your TikTok account. To do this, all you need to do is go back and go to your profile. Now here on top right hand side of your screen, you will find these three horizontal bars. So tap on it. Now go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down all the way to bottom. And then tap on logout. Now simply tap on logout again and re-log into your TikTok. Or else you can even try by clearing data of your TikTok. If this doesn't work, what you need to do is go back and open Google Play Store or App Store and then check if there is any update available. If there are no any updates available, what you can do is uninstall your TikTok app and then reinstall. So reinstalling TikTok will restore your TikTok to latest version. And as it get updated, you will get Steam feed on your TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.